Hello! Welcome to English Podcast for Beginners. I am your host, Lovely. I am so happy you are here with me today. Have you ever felt busy? Too busy? Your mind is full. Your heart is tired. You have too many things to do. I feel this way sometimes. Many people do. But today, we talk about a different way to live. A simple life. A happy life. I have a small, beautiful idea for you. Sometimes less is more. Less is more. Does that sound strange? Let's find out why it is true. First, think about your room. Is it full of things? Many clothes? Many books? It can feel messy. It is hard to relax. Now, imagine that room with only a few things. Only things you love. The room feels clean. It feels open. It feels peaceful. Your mind is the same. Too many thoughts. Too much worry. This is mental clutter. It makes your mind feel messy. So, our first key idea is less clutter, more peace. Let's say it together. Less clutter, more peace. When we have less stuff, we have more peace. Now, let's talk about time. Are you always busy? Work, friends, family, always moving. No time to stop. No time to breathe. A simple life says, let's do less. Let's be slow. Imagine you have free time. You can drink your tea slowly. You can feel the warm cup. You can listen to the birds. You can see a friend and really talk. This feels good, right? This is joy. So, our second key idea is less hurry, more joy. Less hurry, more joy. When we slow down, we find joy in small things. Finally, let's think about your heart. What is important for you? We have needs and wants. A need is very important. We need food. We need a home. We need love. A want is different. A new phone, new clothes. We want them, but we don't need them. We work hard for these wants. But do they make us happy for a long time? Often, no. When we focus on our needs, life becomes lighter. We feel grateful. Grateful means thank you. We say thank you for the good things we have. A sunny day, a good friend, a comfortable bed. So, our third key idea is less wanting, more gratitude. Less wanting, more gratitude. So, we have 3 ideas. 1, less clutter, more peace. 2, less hurry, more joy. 3, less wanting, more gratitude. This is the simple life, a life where less is more. You don't need to do everything today. Maybe just one small thing. Clean one table. Drink your coffee slowly. Think of one thing you love. One small step is a good start. Thank you for listening. You are doing a great job learning English. I am so happy to be your friend on this journey. Remember, be kind to yourself. A simple life is a happy life. Goodbye.